Good evening, everybody. It's June the 10th, 2019. It's 5:15 in the evening. This will be your 5 o'clock earthquake report. All right, we're going to go from what happened the latest to just recently, all right? There was a 3.1 Chile. It's 78.9 miles in depth. A 3.2 Western Australia, 75 miles north of Wonga, Wongan, and that came in at 42.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Chile at 55.3 miles in depth. 3.1 Chile at 72.0 miles in depth. A 3.6 off the shore of El Salvador, and that came in at 31.0 miles in depth. A 3.7 northern Iran at 4.9 miles in depth. A 2.0 Southern California, 4 miles north of Morongo, and that came in Morongo, Morongo, sorry, at 7.4 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 Central Turkey at 3.1 miles in depth. A 3.5 off the shore of Bio, Chile at 18.6 miles in depth. A 3.2 Chile at 60.8 miles in depth. Let me get my little bell. There was a 4.1 Tunisia. I'm sorry, I had to get that right. It's near the Mediterranean Sea, border of Algeria and Libya. All right, and they had that at 0 miles in depth. There was a 2.5 Colorado, 35 miles north of Dove Creek at 5 miles in depth. A 2.2 Washington State, 1 mile north of Highland, and they had that one at 0 miles in depth. A 2.9 Western Australia, 62 miles northeast of Wongan, Wongan. I'm sorry if I'm screwing that up for anybody that's in Australia. I apologize. And that came in at 8.0 miles in depth. A 2.1 California-Nevada border region, 24 miles south-southeast of Sandy Valley, 0 miles in depth. A 4.8 Tonga Island region at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 upgraded to a 4.0 Salta, Argentina. That came in at 138.5 miles in depth. This one just occurred, a 4.9 Fiji Island region at 19 miles in depth. All right, that's what we have. I don't know if they'll change that 4.9 or not. It was in red on the website, so they may do that. That may be a preliminary. So we'll see. If it is, I'll update. All right? God bless. Be safe. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome for taking time out of your busy day, especially with all those big earthquakes we had today. Just be safe out there, all right? God bless each and every one of you. 2 thumbs up.